I have another Hermes unboxing. This one is so special. I've waited for this piece for so long. It is on my wish list and probably my most expensive purchase at Hermes so far, but it's worth it. I'm really excited to reveal to you guys. I'm also going to do some comparisons because I got a question about this piece. This piece will go so well with a lot of outfits. I know you guys love this new cute top that I got from Chanel. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it down below and also up here. I have already gotten so much wear out of this shirt. I love the bow details. It's so cute, right? Like, I mean, it's so romantic. The sleeves are quite oversized. They are meant to be that way. They are supposed to be balloon sleeves. The collar especially is like such a showstopper. So today I worn it open, the twilly part kind of just laying. Actually, here's my outfit today. I paired this with this gorgeous skirt. This is a new skirt that I just got. I literally just received it. I had to alter it, so just to let you know, the sizing on this one is not true to size. So I took in about 2 inches, 1 inch from each side of the waistband, and now it fits perfectly. Besides my everyday fine jewelry stack, which I pretty much wear every single day, I am so obsessed with my new earrings and necklace. Thank you to Idyl for sponsoring this part of the video. I have this beautiful add-on called Bia, which consists of 5 marquee cut diamonds. It is 0.5 carat each. On my left ear here, I have it paired with the medium studs. On my right ear, I have the exact same add-on, but I paired it with the great diamond studs from their high jewelry line, which are 0.5 carat each. I must say that the Bea add-ons, which is part of their regular jewelry line, is just like their high jewelry. It feels and wears like their high jewelry. It's so absolutely gorgeous and such great value, so I highly recommend it. Idyl's jewelry concept is built on modularity, which means that you are building from your existing collection. You start off with a pair of studs of any size and you build your collection by adding different add-ons, and sometimes you can wear 2 or even 3 add-ons at the same time. The Charlie choker, I must say, I have a lot of favorites, but this one is probably my most versatile necklace from Idyl. On the shortest setting, it's more like a choker. On the longer setting, it just drops down a little bit more down your collarbone. 0.5 carat total weight in diamonds. Idyl is based in Antwerp, which is the diamond capital of the world. On top of that, these are lab-grown diamonds, which makes them more sustainable. And of course, all their jewelry is always 14 karat solid gold. They only choose and work with the highest quality of diamonds and material. Not only do I have very sensitive ears, you guys already know that, their earrings never gave me any problems. They always come in beautiful packaging and they ship via DHL, which is super fast. I'm gonna link everything I featured down below. The difference between wearing a bigger stud versus a smaller stud. It is so versatile, you cannot go wrong. And we are back. I got the notification from my store, from my essay, that this piece was finally in, but most importantly, I was ready to buy it because it's such an expensive piece. Of course, it is part of the whole Hermes journey. You guys know the drill. For those who ask, I always label my boxes because I have so many now. I always kind of put a little sticker and I write, just scribble a few description, and so that way I know what they are for. So just a little tip, I always try to label them as early as possible, otherwise you just forget. And I also keep a spreadsheet of my important boxes, where they are. That way it's so much easier to track and to find the box later if you need them. Anyway, that was one of the questions I had from one of the DMs I got. So, are you guys ready? Am I ready? Let's unbox it together. If you watch my wishlist videos, you probably already know what it is. Regardless, the unboxing is always exciting. So we have this brown leather box inside, which slides off the orange box. OMG. This is the lid. It smells really good. It smells like leather. To reveal this gorgeous Kelly diamond lock necklace. It's the choker style because there's two different Kelly chain, I called it Kelly lock, Kelly chain, Kelly Shen necklace. There's two versions. There's this version, which is the choker version. You can also double it up as a bracelet. We will try all of that. We will compare it with my existing, well, the other chain, Kelly chain I have. The other version is like a lariat version, which is so beautiful. I tried it once. As tempting as it was, I'll get more wear out of this, I think. I hope so, because chokers are a little bit tricky, can be uncomfortable, especially if you wear it quite tight on your neck. Here is the Kelly chain, Kelly Shen necklace. Like I said, it is the choker length, so it comes with a little lobster clasp on one end. And unlike the bracelet, which I didn't even know until I tried it on, of course, the bracelet you open and close from the lock. So I love that. It's so easy to put it on and take it off. This is probably my favorite feature of the Kelly Shen bracelet. That is the reason why I decided to buy this first. I showed you how I can open this from the lock. You cannot do that with the necklace. You always have to go from the lobster clasp, which I feel like nobody talks about on YouTube. Like, I've watched several reviews about this necklace before, and I've never come across anybody talking about how you can open it from the lock, and that's a disappointment. I always thought that maybe you can open it from the lock part, which is gonna make it so much easier to put on and off, but unfortunately you cannot. As a reference, they are absolutely identical to the bracelet size lock, so they're not any different. They're identical, the same specs and everything, except this lock, you cannot move it. It's stationary. This lock is a working lock. This necklace tends to, if you don't wear it in the proper length, it will kind of do this, and you don't want that. You definitely want to see the choker, although sometimes it just does it when you move around. This is how it looks like on my neck when I wear it a bit low. But if I go up to 4, so 4 links, not counting the O-ring, but just the long chains, I have 4 dangling, then it would look more like this. And this is my usual size, I want to say. Like if it's like a hot, really hot day, or I'm just hot, I want to wear a little looser, I'll go 3. Hopefully you guys can see how gorgeous it is so that you can see it. Yeah, this is how the choker looks like. And yes, I chose it in yellow gold. Have I mentioned that yet? I tried it both on the rose gold and the yellow gold for the bracelet, and for some reason, I don't know why, maybe because my Cartier love bracelet is in rose gold, but it's an older piece and it's become yellow goldish. My rings, except this middle one, they're all rose gold. So rose gold, rose gold, rose gold, and this is yellow gold, this is yellow gold, and somehow they look the same. It's very subtle. There is a subtle difference, but from afar and also on my skin tone, they somehow look the same. So I just decided, you know what, I'm just gonna do yellow gold because I felt like the rose gold, when I tried it on, it was very pink. I almost didn't like how pink it was, especially considering all my other jewelries, which, you know, I wear literally every day. Like, this is my stack. Sometimes I'll change up this ring with my other Hermes rings, but this is my stack, right? Like, I wear my Tiffany lock every day. I wear the white gold and my platinum rings. Like, I wear this every day. I decided on the yellow gold for the bracelets. That's why I kept it everything yellow gold also for at least this range, the Kelly chain range. The necklace for sure is not gonna be worn as frequently as my bracelet, because my bracelet, although I do remove it every day, but it's one of those things that before I step out, just like with all my rings, I put it all on and I leave. The necklace, I think, will require a little bit extra effort. First of all, because the lobster claw, I wish it was from here that I could wear it. I think it would be easier and it would make me want to wear it more often because it's quicker. But also it's quite a bold piece of jewelry. It sits right up on your neck. So I feel like it's still versatile. Like I said, I feel like it will go well with shirts. It'll go well with t-shirts, especially with crew necks. It will still look so beautiful. It will just peek out a little bit. It will look great with tank tops and spaghetti tops and tube tops. But it's definitely still not as versatile as a bracelet, and not so easy to put on compared to the bracelet version. I don't know if I'll ever consider the lariat because that's so beautiful too, but it's so expensive. Anyway, I'll experiment with this one first and I will see how much I love it. I already love it, but I just want to see how often I grab it or that I remember to grab it. I definitely think that it's such a stunning piece. I can't stop looking at it. Wow factor. The necklace, it's like wow. On my wrists, it's not as wow. Maybe because my wrists are so tiny, and then this bracelet, it usually just has its own sort of life, own behavior. It just goes down, it goes around, it just gets lost. Sometimes it's all tangled with my love bracelet, so it doesn't seem as big of an impact in terms of the bracelet. But I love that it's just casually there, and I love that I can just grab it and wear it every day. Whereas this necklace, I feel, is if I wear it, when I wear it, you see it, and I love that about it. It's so much impact. Price wise, they are different. After the price increase this year is $19K before tax. All their other pieces, I love their rose gold, and over time, the more you wear them, the more they will oxidize and become more yellow, which for me, I don't mind. I just love all 3 different metals. I think earlier I put it on the wrong one. I put it on 2 extra. So let me just put it on 3 extra for you guys to see. Yeah, I think I did only 2 extra earlier, which, because I was like, oh, it's sitting actually really low. 3 extra dangling after you pull it taut like this. So this is if I were to wear it a little lower, which I kind of like too. I sometimes just like it a little bit more easygoing. Yeah, this is actually really pretty. It's slightly lower on my neck. But not as low as I think the first time I tried it for you guys. I think I put it on the 2 extra earlier, which is, I never wear it that low. So this is also my go-to. Now, depending on how you drape it around your neck, like at the back, if you kind of go lower, it will go even lower. So sometimes you can kind of put it higher up on your neck and then let it drape, as long as it drapes nicely without drooping down. So the chain doesn't droop down, the charm part. But yeah, it's so beautiful. And I can even wear this one lower. Now there's a little bit more distance to it. It's just so nice. Okay, today's top might not be the best choice. How should we do that? Let me just put it on so that you can see. Move this to the front. Okay, like this. And drape that around. And that's the other thing too. Like, although you could wear it as a necklace, as a bracelet, to do it through the lobster clasp, it's so hard. I don't love that. You guys know I love my pieces to be easy, and you know, the convenience definitely adds to the cost per wear, that's for sure. And I don't even know how to do it without my other hand, my dominant hand. Let's see. You see? There's so much extra chain, and I'm already wearing it on the thicker part of my wrist. It's like, it's beautiful. The chain, as in like the Kelly chain, is beautiful, but there's so much dangling. Like there's literally 6 extra chain, big chain plus the loop. In theory, it's a great idea to have it as a bracelet, but in practice, not so much, because I'm trying to fix it, like make it nice. Here, I'm trying to like, oh my gosh, it's so hard to do on camera too. There, you see? I'm already wearing it on my thicker part of my wrist. You see? But obviously, if you just want to go for a vibe, like you just want everything dangling and just like going crazy, you could. It's actually kind of cool. It's actually kind of cool, yes. But it's not practical for sure. But it's kind of cool, I have to say. It wouldn't be my first choice to buy this necklace as a bracelet, even though you can. The convenience factor is just not there, and I just know myself, I would get so annoyed I wouldn't wear it as a bracelet. I would wear it as a necklace, but I wouldn't wear it as a bracelet. So kind of how I went about it in terms of the purchase, although it's really cool, I have to say, it's so cool. It's so much easier to just do this, to turn lock and then do this. Literally, it took me a second to do that. I can do it in my sleep. I can literally not look at it and do it. And even to put it on, I've gotten so used to it. I literally just do that, and it's so easy. So that is why I picked the bracelet first, and I decided to splurge on the bracelet first, because it just felt like the right purchase at the time. It felt like the right decision. Obviously, I was still thinking about the necklace. I love the idea of matchy having the whole set, but I just didn't want to do it all at the same time, so I waited until now. I will say, however, it's kind of funny, huh? Even as I'm looking at it, maybe hard to capture on the camera, their yellow gold is a little bit rose goldy, because the newer piece is the necklace, and I feel like it's more rose, even though it's a yellow gold piece. But it does look more rosy to me. Isn't that funny? Isn't that so hilarious or interesting? I would wear it like this sometimes. Maybe if I didn't want to have things on my neck, because you know, with turtlenecks or with a thicker sweater or higher neck, you can't really showcase the necklace as much, which is also why the lariat was a great idea. But I just don't know, sometimes the tops, they're not low enough, or they don't have enough of a V cut to showcase the necklace. I just didn't know if I would get enough cost per wear for it. In that order, the bracelet, the choker, and then the lariat would be my choices if I were to get all three of them, for example. But yeah, I think I would wear it like this once in a while. It's quite cool, actually. It's very cool. It does add to the versatility of the piece, which I do love. The only thing, like I said, is I wish they kept the turn lock, even on the necklace. I love having both the necklace and the lobster claw, because the lobster claw, you adjust the length and you leave it at that. The turn lock is just easy, put on and take off. I don't know why they didn't do it. It must be a cost thing, but it's so stupid. It's so stupid. All right, I decided to add a belt because I feel like the shirt is so big, because there's a lot of all the extra fabric. I do love how the Kelly chain looks on the arm though. Like now that I have it all, is a messy, but like it's such a nice messy look. It's so edgy. So I think I'm gonna, yeah, this is the outfit I'm gonna wear to the outing. I think it's so cool. I literally think it's the perfect. You can see the bows, and then of course the jewelry, you get a peek of it when I'm cutting my steak. I'm really glad that I added the Kelly chain. It's such, for me, it's the right, it's so nice. In love with everything. It's so nice. I love it. Oh, I love it. Can you tell I love it? Have I slowed down? I have, but it's also, I'm making bigger purchases. So is it really slowing down? I don't know. It's just slowing down in terms of frequency of purchases, but I'm definitely making the bigger purchases these days, and I take my time to contemplate it. There's been so many price increases since I've first thought about buying the Kelly chain, but I know I made the right decisions because I am literally wearing, well, I'm wearing the bracelet all the time, so the necklace is TBD, but still, I'm pretty sure I'll get a lot of cost for it. Don't forget to check out all the pieces. I'm gonna have it linked down below. Even my outfit. I love my outfit today. I can't wait to wear it on the actual day of celebration. Have a great day or evening ahead of you, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye.